Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to contact Crypto.com customer support team. For that, you need to simply launch your Crypto.com application and log in into your account. Over here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner, then scroll down and select the option of settings. In your settings, you will see the last option or the second last option of support. So you need to tap on support and select the option of contact support. You can also tap on the option of help center, which will redirect you on their help center page where you will be able to see a bunch of different helpful articles. You can go through them and try to find the solution of your problem. But if you want to directly contact to the chat support team, you need to select this option, then come here on this page. Over here, select the option of send us a message and wait for some time until it shows you the chatbot in front of you. So the chatbot should look something like this, where first of all you need to select your language, then select why you want to talk to the agent, and then you need to give answers to certain questions that are given over here. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you will be assigned a human administrator to whom you can basically talk and try to find the resolution of your problem. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.